Hey guys, how you doing today? I wanted to show you this really cool plant. This is my grandfather cactus, and it's actually a Puntia orbiculata. That's a mouthful. I'll put it up on the screen. But as you can see, it's really super fuzzy. Now this was a cutting that I got, I don't know, maybe a couple years ago. It was just a tiny little piece, and it's grown all of this. And then this one is, my mom also has this cactus, and she gave me all of these cuttings, and I got them started. And they're all looking pretty good from what I can tell. I see, you can see there are some new growths popping up. That's all new. This is new. I'm not sure if that piece is new or not, but there's some more new pieces. But what I'd like to do is put them all into this pot. But I want to take all of these out, and I want to check the roots. And I'm just going to loosen this up and just kind of pull up. I just watered this. I think it was yesterday or the day before. I think it was a couple days ago. This thing is so soft and fuzzy. Can you see how fuzzy it is? But the only thing bad about it is everything gets stuck to it. Now see, I'm not even going to touch it with this hand because I don't want to get dirt all over it. But it's so cute. It looks like this one. Yeah, it's rotten. Rotten right there. But I pulled it off. I'm going to go ahead and do a fresh cut. And then I won't add that one right away. I'm going to let it sit 24 hours, 48 hours, and let that callus up and dry up, and then I'll add it back into the pot later. That one's rotten too, so I'm going to do the same. I'm going to make a fresh cut. Look how fuzzy that is. Isn't that crazy? It's like, I don't know, a cat or something weird. It's so freaky. I do love this cactus though. That's an old piece that's all dried up. I'm going to cut that off. And I'll set her over here with the other one and let it dry. And that one's fine. It's got some nice roots on it. Set her over here. That piece doesn't have any roots on it. Don't know why. So, plastic pot, not a good idea for cactuses. Okay, I'm going to move that down out of my way, and I'm going to get my soils ready, but I want to add a little more perlite to this mix. Oh, I got to take this one out too. I'll take that one out and we'll keep going. Get that out of the way. I'm going to pull this one out. It'll be nice to have them all into one terracotta pot. I was going to put them all in this pot, but after I got to looking at it, that pot is too small for everything. She's got some nice roots on her. Ooh. Crazy, crazy cactus. Okay, let me get my perlite, and I'm going to add more perlite to my soil. Okay, I added some more perlite over here. I'll make this as light and airy as I can, since it's a desert cactus. And I barely water these, like maybe, especially in the winter. I don't know, like once a month, I think is what I'm watering. Because like this one, this desert cactus is downstairs in my living room. And my other cactuses, I have upstairs where it's cooler. And I don't water them, geez, it's like every couple of months I go up and I just give them a little tiny squirt of water. I don't even water them thoroughly. So you got to be really careful with your desert cactus. Now in the summer, you might need to water them a little more often. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and this one is like growing really odd. I think I'm just going to make a hole. I'm going to set her off here to the side because it wants to lean and like drape over the pot, which I personally think is really pretty. Someday I'll be able to maybe hang it and it can hang down, maybe. I've seen a bunch of pictures on the internet and some people have them standing or sitting up. And then I seen one lady, or guy, had it hanging in a pot, and wow, was that ever pretty. Now I'm just going to take this one, I'm going to do the same. I'm going to make a little hole, and stick them down in it, and since I just watered these a couple of days ago, I'm not going to water them again. And I'll stick this one, make a little hole, stick her over there. And then this one, let's see, I got two more. These need to dry out, so those can go there and there. So I guess I will put this one right about right here. And then when I let these guys dry out, I think what I'll do is just set them on my pot like that. Let's see, I gotta figure out which is the cut. That one's the cut end. And I'll just set them like that. That way I don't forget. This is a crazy plant, but I love it. It's super cool. I was almost thinking about cutting this piece off, but I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm just going to leave her how she is. And it was funny because this is all of the new piece that grew out. Because my girlfriend gave me that cutting. This piece looks like it's dried up too, so I'm going to cut it off. It's all brown. see. And I don't know if this tip is, let me cut it and look. No, it's all brown for some reason. It's all brown. But she should start growing out. But this seems really easy to take care of. The only thing I don't like about it is it gets, man, when you get like soil or something on it, it just gets really dirty. I had this plant actually sitting under my cockatiel bird cage, and they had seed. You can still see some of it on, and you just kind of, I just was like kind of taking my nail and I mean, it doesn't seem to hurt if you touch it, you know, the fuzzy of it, but maybe if you took like a paintbrush or something, a hairbrush, it's so fuzzy. It's crazy. But I love it. My mom's is like really big, and hers is just absolutely gorgeous. But it's funny. She's my mom said, "Oh, I got it." I think she's had hers for I don't know, a couple of years, I guess. But it was funny. She said, "Oh, I just had to get it," because she said it reminded her of my dad, because my dad's got like all white hair. So she calls it Grandpa Miller Cactus is what she calls it, but she is so funny. But anyways, guys, that's all there is to it. This is a really cute cactus, I mean, if you see it. And it's not pokey, by the way. I mean, I touch this cactus all the time. And like I said, it's not pokey at all. It's really super soft. And it's just crazy. I love it. And it's super easy to take care of. I keep it in a really, really bright window. It's in a south window on a plant stand. And like I said, I give her a little bit of water every month, once a month. I don't even soak down the whole pot. I just gradually give her a little bit of water, and I'm brushing her off. She's still got dirt all over her. But that really is the only downfall to this plant, is if you get dirt on it. But it does kind of brush off a little easy, so it's not really that bad. But she's super easy to take care of, and it is a really, really fun plant to have. Just because it's so odd, and I love that. I hope that someday she hangs all the way down the pot, and then eventually I can hang her up and she'll just kind of hang down the pot. I think that would be really cool. But bright light, very, very little water, because it is a desert cactus, and terracotta pot, very, very well draining soil, and she is super cute, and I love it. But that's it, guys. Very cute. I do need to make a tag for this. I've never had a tag for it. I just always called it the grandfather cactus. But then I did look it up for the video, Puntia orbiculata. So, very cute. I am going to let you guys go, and I will talk to you later. Give you a little close-up here of this little cutie. It's like a hairy octopus. She is super cute. Super buzzy. And it does look like my dad. So funny. Alright guys, have a good day. Bye. Peace.